The lights were flickering and then brightening in the crypto universe lately. The big star, Bitcoin, BTC, once again reminds everyone why it occupies the top slot. What's driving it now is institutional money and growing recognition of crypto as more than just a speculative toy. For example, analysts are pointing to strong infrastructure upgrades and institutional entry into its ecosystem. Given that backdrop, Bitcoin looks more likely to go up than to crater, especially if the broader sentiment stays positive. But that doesn't mean it's guaranteed. Macro headwinds, interest rates, regulatory moves, still could send it down. Meanwhile, Ethereum, ETH, is wearing a dual hat, one of an established blue-chip crypto and another of a technology platform with growth potential. Ethereum's upgrades, Layer 2 scaling, proto-danksharding, etc., are getting attention. The story here is, if the ecosystem keeps growing, more dApps, more tokenization, more real-world assets on ETH, then ETH might climb, so there's a good chance of upward movement. But if the upgrades drag or competition picks up from other chains, then ETH might stall or even slip. And then there's Solana, SOL, positioned as the fast alternative to Ethereum. Analysts are pointing at Solana's speed and lower fees as advantages. The narrative: if the dApp plus NFT plus DeFi growth spurt happens, SOL is set to benefit, so it has decent upside potential. But the flip side, it's more speculative, and if something goes wrong, network issues, regulatory surprise, big competitor advantage, it could face downside. Putting all this into a narrative. Imagine you are on a ship in a sometimes stormy sea, the crypto market. The captain, Bitcoin, is well stocked, has a strong crew, known route. You feel somewhat safer trusting it.